Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now I'm in one of my favorite categories because I love a swim up room. This particular one is a swim up Lovers Lagoon Honeymoon Club level. Let me show you what this is all about. Just inside the door, you are gonna find the bathroom area. So you see you have a large double vanity right here, ton of extra towels underneath. You've got a huge backlit mirror, magnifying mirror over to the side. And right here, you're gonna find your full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now keep in mind, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa here on site, the beach, the pools, the restaurants, any of the incredible public spaces, or other rooms and suites, make sure you check out those tours as well. Now just around the corner here, you're gonna find your step-in shower. It's a really nice size, it's big. You've got your shower head right here and your nook over to the side. Now keep in mind that this category does come with this configuration as well as a bathtub shower combo. Make sure you request that at check-in, though it can't be guaranteed. Just across from the bathroom, you're gonna find your storage area here. You've got extra pillows, blankets, towels, a hair dryer right there. You've got a large safe big enough for a laptop, iron and ironing board, and the first of the club level amenities are just here in the corner. You've got those extra comfy robes. As we continue into the bedroom, I wanted to talk a little bit more about those club level amenities. Now in the room here, you've got those robes, you got the full-size liquor bottles right there. You're gonna have in-room dining as well. But what I love about club level is as soon as you get here to the resort, you're gonna bypass the regular check-in and head right up to the Club Sandals Lounge. There you'll meet your concierges. They can take care of you throughout your entire stay. It's also a bit of a living room area for you. They have an upgraded bar in there, coffee maker, and in addition, you can check out books or games. Now throughout your stay, you're gonna have lots of little touches if you decide to upgrade to club level. Now underneath the mini bar here, you're gonna have a fully stocked mini fridge, beer, wine, sodas, juices, and of course your favorite mixers. You've got a coffee and tea kettle right there. You're also gonna have coffee and tea replenished throughout your stay here. Now as we continue on in, you can see the large 4-poster king-size bed. This is one of those signatures of Sandals resorts. You've got a fan up above, which I really appreciate as well. You've got a nightstand on one side, on the other you have a nightstand. In addition, you're gonna have a Bluetooth speaker. It also functions as a USB charger as well. Now keep in mind in St. Lucia, they use a UK charging plug, so you might wanna bring some extra adapters. I always do, so I can utilize the plugs throughout the room. Over here, you're gonna see that you have your writing desk. You got a small bench seat down below, mirror in front of you. This is really your charging station. You've got 2 US plugs, more UK plugs, and USB chargers. And then here you're gonna find your in-room dining menu. Of course, you can take advantage of that from early in the morning till late in the evening as one of those club level amenities. You got your reading chair over in the corner. You got a nice little love seat right here with a coffee table. You can take advantage of that in-room dining there, or it's just a nice place to sit and relax. So now we're out on your private patio area. You see here that they have a table and 2 chairs. This is another perfect place to take advantage of that in-room dining menu. Maybe a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, glass of wine or a cocktail in the evening. But what this is all about is right here in front of you. You've got Lovers Lagoon. You can step right on out and into the water. And what I love about this is you can swim all the way around. It actually curves all the way around to the other side as well. Those rooms over there share it, so you can circle all the way and have a really nice swim, or take this raft that's included out for a float. But the reason you select this is that you really want to enjoy the water and the room here. And I also saw quite a few people dining on their patios last night. So when you're ready to book this incredible room or any at Sandals or Beaches, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.